I'm going to take you into our showroom here at Tilesporcelain, based in Langley. Absolutely stunning wall of quartz tiles there, bit of blingy. Taking you around and you see all the different porcelains that we do. Polished porcelain, over to the quartz, and then back to more porcelain. We've got porcelains all the way up here. Again, some of the feature walls, absolutely spot on. TPP12, black rose, absolutely amazing. Coming along, got your outdoor porcelain over there. And then we've got some wood effect paving down here. Wide range of choice in our showroom. Wide range of colour. Coming along down, and you're coming along to the coloured tiles here. Pink over there. And we've got lots of blues here. Blues, turquoise, royal navy, carmine blue, cladding, down to the cladding section, and then some stunning blues here. Got some shower blocks here, which has got the cladding in. Again, back onto some of the colours here. Browns, creams, big 1200, 600 sizes here on the wall. And there you go. You need to look no further. www.tilesporcelain.co.uk 0191 429 0279, or if you're local to us, you can visit us at our showroom here in Langley, just outside Durham City. Absolutely wide range of choice and fantastic prices.